Dating back over 100 years, these biscuits have been a part of soldiers' rations in New Zealand and Australia in World War I and II. So, let me show you how to make ANZAC biscuits.
In your first bowl, add flour, sugar, desiccated coconut, and rolled oats. Then mix. Just remember to turn your oven onto 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, on the bake setting. Now to the second bowl, we add the golden syrup and butter. Then we melt it in the microwave. This brings us to our last tiny bowl. We add the baking soda and the boiling water and stir until dissolved. Next, combine the second and third bowls to make sure they are well mixed. Now, make a well in the middle of the first bowl and add the second bowl's mixture to it. And mix everything until it turns into a golden brown mixture. We're ready to make some medium-sized balls and place them on a lined baking tray. Don't forget to leave enough space for them to grow. Use a flat fork or your hand to press them down. Then put them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until they turn golden brown. Repeat if necessary on another tray if you have mixture left. Once done, place them on a wire rack to cool down completely before you enjoy. I hope you've enjoyed learning how to make ANZAC biscuits like I have. So, make sure you send a carrier pigeon with a like and subscribe letter. Also, I invite you to discover one of the other recipes. So, until next time, enjoy the kitchen.